reaching FDC4 production. Ha, my peeps, as usual, bringing another interesting intel that may help you to escalate to a different higher level of your professional life. And if you're actually at the bottom, this is definitely going to help you to jump to the first escalon, to the first step of the beginning of your life. For those parents who had children in secondary, in high school, or about to start college, please do not disregard this intel that you're about to get. Pass it over to your children. They can take advantage of this. They can be recipient winners of a scholarship like this and could change their life for good. Also, this is something that can be taken around the globe. Entire United States and outside United States too. The entire planet Earth. Anyone who understand English too can actually participate and take advantage of this. This bit is mainly for my community, my followers, those who are underrepresented and have a leaking roof in their house, think they cannot make it through. Here's a scholarship arriving at your doorstep. You can take advantage of this. Can't procrastinate. It just arrived to your door. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you an email that I received that happily I'm sharing with all of you. Amazon Web Services, AWS, AI and ML Scholarship is a fast track, a new career with job ready skills in the lucrative field of AI and ML. What is the goal of this program? Amazon Web Services, in collaboration with Intel and Udacity, is offering a scholarship to underserved and underrepresented students in high school and institutions of higher education around the globe. The program aims to build a more diverse future tech workforce by removing financial barriers to top-notch technical skills, training, and offering mentorship and support to qualifying learners. Recipients will enroll in Udacity AI program with Python Nano Degree program. Oh my God, this is so great. Build a portfolio of real-world projects and get on the track to a lucrative career in AI and ML. You want to be able to build a portfolio that you can use when you go to an internship to find a job. You can even go to Amazon too. And with that portfolio, you can demonstrate to anyone in there that you know what you're doing because you're using the real world technology, real world scenario in your portfolio. And you can expand your portfolio after you're done because practice makes the master. And once you get to that certain point, you'll become unstoppable. And I'm not saying that you stop there. You can actually put your own small business online and start to, teach. Who knows? And you can actually even sell your skills out there to certain small business companies and stuff like that. And you can actually do your own thing. Don't stop there. You can even open a YouTube channel showing what you're learning here and monetizing. The sky is the limit. There are many ways to make money online. Technology is in our side, ladies and gentlemen. Take advantage of it. You just gotta have a little bit of imagination. Let it fly. There are many ways to make money out there. How will this program set me up for success? You will work on real world projects with the most up to date content, co-created with top industry experts, so skills immediately. That's what I was trying to say before. Throughout your journey, you will have access to the supportive online community where you will get support from Amazon Web Services and Intel mentors, in addition to fellow learners, along with building a strong industry network. Furthermore, students in this program can join monthly Ask Me Anything seminars with top industry experts, as well as access other monthly virtual events. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice. I'm really happy. Very happy. How do I get started? Application will be open from April 11, 2022, which is already yesterday began. So through July 13, 2022. Note that everything from start to finish will be 100% remote. Start building your future in tech today. So it's gonna be remotely. No excuses that you can, oh, I couldn't take the bus, I couldn't actually travel over there, I don't have money for that. No, you can do it from home. And the way I feeling this is gonna go through is actually self-paced. So it's at your own speed, but you're gonna be timed. This is gonna be over on, the application will be open in July 13th. So I believe that after that you're gonna have another scheduling, which I'm gonna show you now. I'm getting started because this is just the email that I'm reading to you that I got. So the application, the website is this one. See? AWS AI and ML Scholarship Program. AWS, Intel, and Udacity are awarding 2,000 students with scholarship in 2022. Learn valuable skills to open new career opportunities in the lucrative field of AI and ML. All applicants can access 20 hours of free training modules and tutorials on the basic of machine learning, which is what ML stands for. We AWS Deep Racer student. How you like me now? How you like me now? This is serious. About the Amazon Web Services Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Scholarship Program. If you are a high school or college student over the age of 16 and you are interested in a career in artificial intelligence and machine learning, this scholarship is for you. The Amazon Web Services Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Scholarship Program aims to help students underrepresented and underserved in tech to learn foundational machine learning concepts as they prepare for a career in one of today's hottest, and fastest growing fields. Today's challenge. Machine learning is poised to transform virtually every industry. However, there are currently not enough trained machine learning developers to meet this demand, and far fewer from backgrounds underrepresented in tech. The World Economic Forum estimates that technological advances and automation will create 97 million new technology jobs by 2025. Metaverse, blockchain, you name it, including in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Yeah, it's here to stay. While job opportunities in technologies are growing, women, LGBTQ plus people with disability, and people of color are underrepresented in science and technology careers. For example, female workers make up an estimated 26% of workers in data and AI roles, according to the Future of Gender Parity report by the World Economic Forum. How it works. Oops. Sorry about that. How it works. Well, I am going gonna leave it up to this point. Well, let me read this part. How it works. Phase 1. Enroll in AWS Deep Racer Student, where a student can access 20 hours of AWS AI and ML content at launching, receive 10 hours of model training, and 5 gigabytes of storage per month to participate in the Amazon Web Services Deep Racer Student League. Phase 2, Udacity would then award 2,000 students with a scholarship for the Audacity AI programming with Python Nano Degree program, 1,000 in a summer cohort and 1,000 in winter cohort. All 2,000 students will have the opportunity to attend monthly virtual mentoring events with industry experts. This 4-month course teaches the foundational skill for obtaining a career in AI and ML in a collaborative virtual class environment with mentorship from Udacity, Amazon, and Intel advisors. Phase 3. All graduates from the winter and summer cohort will be invited to take an assessment. That's where the trick is. The 500 students with the highest score on the assessment will earn a second Udacity Nano Degree Program scholarship to help further prepare them for a career in artificial intelligence machine learning. Additionally, the top 500 students in the Amazon Web Service AI and Machine Learning Scholarship Program will have access to one-to-one mentorship opportunities from tenured machine learning experts from Amazon, Intel, and other institutions to provide career advice for 12 months. What are the chances that in those 12 months you don't get a job for the same company that you've been tutored with? These people are trying to get prepared certain number of students, and those that they can squeeze out of 2000 and take the juice out of it, the lemon, those are the ones who are gonna stay. I don't want to guarantee that they're gonna get a job guarantee all the way with them, but I see a few people in here getting hired by Amazon, by Intel, and probably Udacity. The program is designed with student needs in mind. It's convenient. Courses are part-time and online, so you can actually learn when and where is convenient for you. Flexible. Our flexible schedule means you can put in just a few hours a week and learn at your own pace. Inclusive. The scholarship is always available to a student globally and aims to make the future tech workforce more diverse by removing financial barriers to artificial intelligence and machine learning tech skill building. In depth, a student can access dozens of hours of free training modules and tutorial on the machine learning basics and its real world applications. Cutting edge, students get the exciting opportunity to turn theory into actions by training machine learning models to power a virtual race car using Amazon Web Services Deep Racer Student League. Oh my god, this is so exciting. A global autonomous racing competition exclusively for Amazon Web Services, artificial intelligence, and machine learning students. This is so great. Mentor supported. In addition to tutoring from Udacity program mentors and instructors, all 2,000 students in the AWS AI and ML scholarship program can join monthly into the Ask Me Anything seminars with top industry experts from Amazon and Intel. Oh my god, I'm really excited with this. The top 500 participants can access one-to-one mentoring from expert advisor from Udacity, Amazon Web Services, Intel, and other institutions through Udacity Connect. How you like me now? How you like me now? Journey and timelines. These are the dates, ladies and gentlemen. See? It's all there. But I am gonna put the URL for this page so you can come and read the rest, because I think I have spoken too much, and I think I'm gonna leave it up to you to investigate the rest of this. A little disclaimer: I just want to let you know that I'm not being sponsored or FTC for production either by Amazon Web Services, Intel, Udacity programs, companies. We don't receive any, sponsorship or any. We don't get patronized. We don't get paid. This is actually voluntarily that we're doing this to provide back to our community, to our people, so they can have a chance in life to make it through. Intels like these are out there and free for anyone to obtain, but many people really don't get to see in their lifetime. So that's the reason why I'm actually making this small section of the World Wide Web and bringing this type of intel into this channel. So some of you that come across to my channel, my followers, can actually see it. And I also encourage you that if you know a neighbor, a friend, somebody from your school, your parents, please, your children, introduce this scholarship program, because it can change the life of those who you love the most. For those underrepresented, don't say that there is not opportunity out there. It just happened to be, but you don't get to see it. But now you cannot complain, because this is a great one. And this is not like a coming out of a book in theory. No, you'll be guided by current expert in the field. You're gonna get real time scenarios that you're gonna be having the opportunity to work with this pro. Opportunity like this are one in a dozen. One in a lifetime. Don't let it pass by. It's a diamond. All right. Just to write me below if you have any concern, please. If you apply for this, tell me how you do and how did you do, or how far you were capable to get. If it really worked out for you, if it really changed your life, it made any impact, let me know. Because in that way I know what else I need to bring to my community, and share with them, and give them more of this, because I know it's things that you actually appreciate the most. And that's my goal. Anything I can find out there, I bring it over to the channel. I share it with my community. Everyone who's interested can get it for free. This is not for sale. FTC4 Productions always gonna bring you stuff that will either make you spend less on something that you definitely gonna be spending on, or you pretty much gonna get it for free, because the goal is to give you stuff, not to take away from you. Okay? Alright, my ladies and gentlemen, I think I got to the bottom of and the end of this video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, because I'm trying to get it monetized, and as you might be aware of, by monetizing I can actually bring more value to this channel in an audio way. I know that the audio is not the best, but I'm working with what I have, unfortunately. But if I get it monetized, I can bring you more value, I can bring more stuff to the channel, I can bring more weight. And that's what we're here for, to help each other, and in that way I get even more motivated to bring you more material, probably do two videos or 3 videos a day, because I can leave some other stuff that I do in my daily basis, because I gotta work, I gotta pay a mortgage like many of you. So probably I might leave certain thing behind and dedicate this to 100% and bring you better value. Anyways, right now it's voluntarily. I'm not doing anything. I'm doing this out of my heart because I know that if I am capable to bring certain information that others are not capable to withdraw, I'm doing some good. I love you, all of you. Please, just because a politician says don't wear a mask, go back to work and don't, lose the fear. Don't live in fear. That doesn't mean that you cannot take precautions to keep yourself safe. Remember, you are responsible for your own life. Signs are eternal. Politicians' rules are made to be made broken and brought up and can change at any time. Just because somebody says you don't need to wear a mask, that doesn't mean you're gonna go and not gonna wear because somebody says so. Be careful. The virus kills and it can hurt you. Just keep your distance, wash your hands, live your life normally the way you're supposed to, but take precautions and wear your mask. This is just a recommendation from my end because I actually care about all of you and I wish you well and the best of the best. Thank you. Thank you for listening this message, this intel. If anything, please don't hesitate to write me down below. Any questions, concerns, tell me how you're doing in the program. If you did apply, if you really got it, if you passed, if you failed, anything you got about this, bring it on. Have a wonderful day.